Peak Roof Clean are the premier roof cleaning company across the Midlands and South Yorkshire. Established since 2002 with well over 2,000 satisfied customers, Peak Roof Clean offers an inexpensive way of permanently keeping your roof free of mosses, lichens and algae. Our revolutionary soft wash system is guaranteed to cause no damage to roof tiles, whilst being highly effective and great value for money. It's clear to see that Peak Roof Clean take pride in the quality of their work, and as proud members of Derbyshire and Which trusted traders, our 100% positive feedback speaks for itself. A personal and friendly service from Matt and his professional team is guaranteed. It really is the next best thing to having a new roof, but at a fraction of the cost. For a free quotation or just some friendly advice, contact Peak Roof Clean today.